Well, we finally found an amazing and healthy way to glow your beautiful skin. Out of 1000 people, 670 people are facing skin problems like dull skin, uneven skin tone, pigmentation, dark spots, or dark patches on the skin. These all skin problems make people feel anxious, depressed, and sad about their own self. That is why I started Dope Health. To help everyone around and make this kind of informative content for almost all health related issues. I respect all your great support. Every time you watch my videos, you are helping the video to reach more people who really need this. So let's get back to how you can glow your skin by using this magical gift of nature. Yes, I am talking about turmeric. You might have heard of turmeric and its benefits for the skin. But here I am going to tell you a new unique way to use this turmeric to get beautiful glowing skin. But firstly, let's take a look at the power of turmeric. Mr. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, which means when your skin is facing inflammation from pimple marks, dark spots, rashes, or any other skin problem, that area of your skin becomes inflammatory. It becomes hard for your skin to get heal itself when it's inflammatory. Many people face this problem, that their skin is taking a lot of time to get healed. The reason is that their skin is inflammatory. It's just like your healing mechanism has to work harder to cure your skin. This also takes a lot of time to heal damaged skin cells. So here is the entry of our hero, Mr. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound named curcumin. This is what we need to make our skin heal itself. Many researchers also suggested that curcumin can help with the management of oxidative and inflammatory conditions. This can really help in faster healing for the skin. Just imagine yourself with wonderful glowing skin that you had always wished for. Now that can be possible. Now hit the subscribe button below. This will help me to know that you are serious about your good health and well-being. Now, as you are aware of power of turmeric, let's talk about how to use it. Using this is very simple. Step 1. Take a bowl. Now take 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder in that bowl. Step 2. Take lemon and squeeze a lemon in that turmeric powder. Step 3. Mix them well. Make a thick paste of this, using turmeric powder and lemon. Step 4. Apply this thick paste on your skin. Also give it 20 to 30 minutes to dry. Step 5. Wash your skin now. After the first wash, you will be able to see the changes in your skin. But some people complain about turmeric paste mask, that it gives itching or burning sensation on the skin. But don't worry, this is found very rarely if someone has very sensitive skin. But this will work like magic if you have normal skin. The turmeric powder and lemon paste will work really well. It will help your skin to create more healthy skin cells and remove dead skin cells. Use this powerful ingredient with discipline. Many people want permanent results and want to have skin that looks really well. So my simple answer is to use this with discipline. I also made an amazing video for your skin health. You can watch that from I button. Please like this video if you found this useful. Comment down and tell me what is next you want a video on, and check out my more health related content. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you liked this video. Thanks for watching. I will wish you that you will soon be having a